Hey everyone, Alex Techford here, and I need to tell you about something absolutely insane that just happened in the battery world. We're talking about artificial intelligence literally dreaming up brand new materials from scratch. Materials that could make your phone battery last weeks instead of days. And this isn't science fiction, this happened 3 days ago at the New Jersey Institute of Technology. What I'm about to show you represents the biggest breakthrough in battery technology since lithium-ion was invented 30 years ago. Scientists just used AI to discover 5 completely new materials that could replace lithium entirely, using elements that are literally 1,000 times more abundant and cheaper. The crazy part? The AI designed these materials in hours, not decades. The problem with lithium. Look, I love my iPhone, but let's be honest about what's powering it. Lithium is incredibly rare, found in only a handful of places on Earth. We're talking about less than 0.002% of the Earth's crust. Mining lithium is an environmental nightmare. It takes 500,000 gallons of water to produce just 1 ton of lithium. In Chile's Atacama Desert, lithium mining has lowered the water table so much that local communities are running out of drinking water. Plus, lithium-ion batteries are terrible at their job. They degrade every charge, catch fire if damaged, lose capacity in cold weather, and take forever to charge. If your phone dies at 20% after 2 years, you know what I'm talking about. The AI breakthrough. 3 days ago, researchers at New Jersey Institute of Technology published something in Cell Reports Physical Science that changes everything. They used AI to literally invent entirely new materials that never existed before. These AI-designed materials could store 3 times more energy than lithium-ion batteries, using elements like magnesium, calcium, aluminum, and zinc that are everywhere. Magnesium alone is 10,000 times more abundant than lithium. Here's how they did it. The team built a dual AI system, 2 AI models working together. The first AI, a crystal diffusion variational autoencoder, was trained on thousands of crystal structures. Its job was to dream up new materials by combining elements in ways never tried before. The second AI played the skeptical scientist, analyzing each idea to determine if the material would be stable enough to exist in the real world. 5 game-changing materials. Working together, these AIs analyzed over 44,000 different material combinations in just hours, something that would take human researchers decades. They identified 5 completely new materials, perfect for next-generation batteries. These are porous transition metal oxides, crystalline structures with large, open channels. Think microscopic highways designed for ions to move through quickly. With lithium-ion batteries, tiny lithium ions squeeze through tight spaces. But these AI materials have massive open channels, like upgrading from a country road to an 8-lane superhighway. They're designed for multivalent ions that carry 2 or 3 charges instead of 1 like lithium. Each ion carries much more energy. That's where the 3 times improvement comes from. Real-world impact. If these materials work as predicted, we're talking about electric cars driving 1,500 miles on a single charge. Home energy storage systems powering your house for a month from one sunny day with solar panels. Climate change is fundamentally an energy storage problem. Solar and wind are great, but the sun doesn't always shine and wind doesn't always blow. If we could store renewable energy cheaply and efficiently, we could power the world with clean energy. These materials use abundant elements, potentially dropping battery costs by 90%. Imagine if storing energy cost almost nothing. AI revolutionizing science. What blows my mind isn't just the materials, it's how they were discovered. This represents a fundamental shift in scientific research. Traditionally, discovering new materials takes decades of trial and error. AI changed all that by exploring thousands of possibilities in parallel using quantum simulations. Lead researcher Professor Alexandre Data said, "This is more than discovering new battery materials. It's establishing a rapid method to explore any advanced materials without extensive trial and error." Challenges ahead. These materials exist only in computer simulations. The next step is synthesizing them in real laboratories and building prototypes. That's challenging. Just because AI says a material should work doesn't mean it's easy to manufacture at scale. The NJIT team hopes to have working prototypes within 2 years. But even if everything goes perfectly, we're looking at 5 to 10 years before you can buy a phone with these revolutionary batteries. Why this matters for AI. This breakthrough shows AI moving beyond processing existing information to creating genuinely new knowledge. These materials didn't exist in the AI's training data. They were invented through creative combination of physical principles. This justifies massive AI investments. Instead of just better chatbots, AI is solving real scientific problems benefiting humanity. The same techniques could discover new medicines, solar materials, or aerospace composites. So there you have it. AI just potentially solved one of our biggest clean energy challenges. 5 new materials designed from scratch by AI that could make lithium-ion batteries look like Stone Age technology. What other breakthroughs are waiting to be discovered by AI? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Subscribe because I'll be following this story as these materials move from simulations to real batteries. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.